going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the new World Order book. The new World Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And right now we have Bitcoin and cryptos flat, and we see the stock market taking a beating again today because we see yields are rising. Remember, guys, this is the most manipulated market in history, the greatest transfer of wealth that we've ever seen. This is something you'll be able to tell your kids, grandkids, great-grandkids, how the world changed right in front of your eyes. Now, guys, don't forget to pay attention to the actual indicators like I stated. Yield rates rising slightly. We have volume, we have Tether, then we have USDC. And we have a lot of USDC news. Of course, it's the chosen one. We have Jeremy from Circle. USDC will be expanding to 5 new chains. Circle will be launching a cross-chain transfer protocol. And we see USDC will be filling the gap for UST on Cosmos. Plus, we have Jack Dorsey. TBD teams up with Circle to take U.S. dollar stablecoin savings and remittances global. And we know XLM will be a big piece of that. And then, of course, guys, we have the Fed. Repo still over $2 trillion. And in the month of October, we get a little break. We saw the 10-year yield touched at 4%, but then drop down. And I definitely see them manipulating yields down as we move into earnings. And then on the crypto side, guys, we know we have open interest. And they're going to be doing another small volume repo on the 5th. I put that in my Patreon. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. I've been getting a lot of great information inside the Patreon sent to me. And guys, we have so many narratives that are popping up. Now we have Nord Stream that they are saying that has leaks and is coming from explosions. Then, of course, we have midterms. And we know they want the market to look decent while the people are voting. But then after, guys, we know they're going to be putting their foot on the gas when it comes to the Hegelian dialectic. It doesn't matter what economist you go to. Everybody knows 2023 and 24 is going to be some of the worst times in American history. And you know the crypto teacher warned you a long time ago. But guys, we know the NWO caused the problem. Wait for the reaction and run in with the solution. And we know the fourth industrial revolution is definitely the solution, where the robots, algorithms, and drones take over the economy, pay each other with crypto, and the sheep go inside the metaverse. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. Now, guys, don't forget about Grayscale. Moved up a little to 17.1 billion. And then also, guys, don't forget that we have back today. As I told you, I definitely saw us pulling back. And then we have CME futures tomorrow. And I also see us pulling down further. But guys, like I stated, in the month of October, starting on the 5th, I definitely see the market getting a slight pump. And then towards the end of October, we move down because we know the Fed is going to be meeting November 1st and 2nd to raise rates again. And then plus, guys, at the beginning of the month, they actually roll off the balance sheet. So don't forget about that. But getting over into a little crypto news, we have Blackrock, the company that owns everything right along with Vanguard, launches ETF in Europe with blockchain and crypto company exposure. And guys, we see all the big banks now and corporations are in crypto and making it known. They're no longer behind the curtain. And we're going to see this crypto casino get built out, keep getting bigger and bigger. The legacy market is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain right along with crypto. Now we have Binance starts Ethereum proof of work mining pool initially with no fee. And we'll see how long this Ethereum proof of work plays out. Now we have Chainlink announces ecosystem growth program called Scale. And the first chains to join is Avalanche, Metis, Moonbeam, and Moonriver. And lastly, we have Swift partners with Chainlink for cross-chain crypto transfer project. And guys, this project will connect Swift to every single blockchain. The beast is in. And remember, they're going to be getting all this information. And from the beginning, we knew how important interoperability is going to be. But the NWO is bringing it all together to link back to one source, one brain. And you guys know, what do I tell you blockchain gives the NWO? The all-seeing eye. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The new stock channel. Guys, make sure you like, subscribe, spread it everywhere. You have your Kobo, your chips house, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks, the C-Word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID Stories 3. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.